Hey there, my name's David. On this episode, I'll be taking you through a 3-ingredient Mamey Sapote pudding. So this is a Mamey Sapote, something like that. And opened up, it has this beautiful red flesh inside. And so I'm going to be taking all the flesh out of this thing and mixing it with some frozen bananas. So I've got 3 frozen bananas here and 1 cup of pineapple. And we're going to make this into a nice pudding. You can follow along with this recipe if you don't have a Mamey Sapote. You could substitute another sapote, like a white sapote or a black sapote or something like that. But yeah, let's get into this one. Okay, so first off, we're going to put in bananas in the blender. So once again, I always use my Vitamix. I'll link this in the description if you want to get one yourself. The pineapple. Pineapple is a bit of juice, so that's going to be enough liquid to get this moving and turn it into a pudding. And the Mamey Sapote, it's easier to peel the outside than it is to try to scoop the inside because there's a hard core in the middle. So now I got this off, I can just kind of break this off of the hard core. There's actually a sprout coming out of this Mamey Sapote too, which is pretty funny. Okay, so we've got our Mamey Sapote giant pudding bowl ready. Now we just need to blend this up and churn it up with the tamper. Mamey Sapote pudding all done here. Look at that beautiful golden amber color. So I've got, well, this might fit. Okay, so our finished bowl here. We're gonna do a taste test of this beautiful pudding. So simple ingredients here: Mamey Sapote, pineapple, and frozen banana. The one thing to note about the Mamey Sapote, it has kind of like a weird, if you've never had one, it's kind of weird, sweet and savory kind of taste to it. Like it's kind of got a funny, like almost savory taste to it. And so the reason why I mixed pineapple with it is pineapple is so sweet, it'll counterbalance that weird kind of savory-ish kind of taste. The result, oh, is so good. It's so good. It's a real shame I can't share this with all of you watching this. What it does taste like actually is like one of those cupped vanilla puddings that you get from the store. At least like when I had those as a kid, those vanilla cup puddings, that's what this kind of tastes like. Yeah, it's got that weird savory kind of taste, but then the pineapple is pushing it into the sweet realm, so it actually tastes like a pudding. So hopefully you enjoyed this episode. Something a little bit different here, but something you maybe try if you're visiting the tropics or you live in the tropics. And be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thumbs up until next one. Have a good one.